Almost no one saw this coming. While the world was busy watching Tesla dominate headlines and Toyota quietly refining its hybrids, one company was building something far more aggressive behind the scenes. Not just electric cars, not just hybrid systems, but an entire machine where every single part is controlled, built, and perfected under one roof. And that company is BYD. Now here's the part most people don't realize. BYD isn't just making cars. It's building engines, batteries, motors, and even the software that controls everything inside massive, ultra-secret factories where a new powertrain can come together in minutes. So the real question is, how are they doing this at such insane speed? And why are companies like Tesla and Toyota starting to feel the pressure? Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe, because what you're about to see is something most people have never fully understood. But the real story doesn't start with the cars. It starts with something almost no one talks about. Hidden behind BYD's global success is a lesser-known powerhouse called FinDreams. And this is where things get serious. FinDreams isn't just another supplier. It's the reason BYD doesn't need suppliers at all. This division handles everything: engines, electric motors, transmissions, control systems, basically the entire heart of the vehicle. Think about that for a second. Most car companies are constantly juggling parts from different suppliers. One company builds the engine, another builds the battery, another handles electronics. And when something goes wrong, everything slows down. BYD eliminated that entire problem. Instead of depending on outsiders, it built its own ecosystem. Complete control. No waiting, no bottlenecks, no compromises. But controlling everything only works if you have factories powerful enough to handle it. And that's where things start to look unreal. Step inside BYD's manufacturing world, and it doesn't feel like a factory. It feels like a city. In Shenzhen, where the company first started, you'll find the brain of the operation. This is where new ideas are tested, refined, and pushed to their limits. Research, development, and advanced production all happen here. But Shenzhen is just the beginning. Move over to Zhengzhou, and the scale becomes almost hard to believe. This place is so massive that people have compared it to an entire urban district. Production lines stretch endlessly, robots move in perfect synchronization, and vehicles roll out at a pace that doesn't feel real. Then there's Xi'an, a powerhouse capable of producing hundreds of thousands of vehicles every year. Entire hybrid systems are built here at scale, feeding global demand. Changsha, Hefei, multiple massive hubs, all connected, all working at the same time. In total, BYD operates around 8 to 9 major production bases in China alone. But here's the part that really changes everything. It's not just how big these factories are, it's how fast they move. Imagine this. You're standing on the factory floor. Conveyor belts are moving non-stop. Robotic arms are welding, assembling, and fitting components with near-perfect precision. And then you notice something. Every 30 to 60 seconds, a new car rolls off the line. Not every hour, not every few minutes, every single minute. This isn't theory. This is happening right now inside BYD's mega factories. Some reports suggest automation levels reaching up to 97%. That means machines are doing almost everything: lifting engines, installing batteries, connecting wiring systems, performing quality checks. Humans are still there, but they're overseeing the process, not doing the heavy lifting. The result? Speed that most automakers simply can't match. But speed alone isn't what makes this system powerful. The real advantage comes from something far more strategic. It's called vertical integration. And it might be the single biggest reason BYD is growing so fast. Here's what that actually means. Instead of outsourcing parts, BYD produces everything itself. Raw materials come in, and complete vehicles come out. Engine blocks, electric motors, blade batteries, gearboxes, control systems, all built under one ecosystem. Now compare that to most companies. An engine from one supplier, a battery from another, electronics from somewhere else. Each step adds cost, delays, and risk. BYD removed all of that. By keeping everything in-house, it reduces costs dramatically. It controls quality at every step. And most importantly, it avoids supply chain disruptions that have slowed down competitors. This is why BYD can scale faster, produce cheaper, and adapt quicker than most of the industry. But even that isn't the most impressive part, because the real breakthrough is inside the engine itself. It all starts with raw materials: steel, aluminum, specialized alloys. These materials arrive at the factory and immediately enter the first stage, casting and forging. Molten metal is poured into molds to form the engine block. Then, massive pressure is applied to strengthen the structure. From there, the rough shape moves into CNC machining. This is where precision takes over. Computer-controlled machines carve, smooth, and refine every surface. Cylinders are bored, holes are drilled, components are shaped down to microscopic accuracy. Then comes assembly. Pistons slide into place. The crankshaft is installed. Valves, camshafts, and timing systems are carefully added. Every piece must align perfectly, because this isn't just a regular engine. It has to work alongside an electric system without a single mistake. And that's where things get even more interesting. BYD integrates something called the Electric Hybrid System, or EHS. This unit combines both a drive motor and a generator into one compact system. Think of it like two machines working together inside the same space. One generates power, the other delivers it instantly to the wheels. Then comes the battery. BYD's Blade battery, assembled separately, is installed and connected to the system. Along with it, a battery management system constantly monitors temperature, charge levels, and safety conditions. Now you have something powerful. An engine, two motors, a battery, and a control system, all working as one. But before anything leaves the factory, it faces one final test. Actually several. Each powertrain goes through intense testing. Engines are run at different speeds. Power output is measured. Fuel efficiency is analyzed. Heat levels are monitored. Then comes durability testing, long hours of continuous operation to make sure nothing fails under pressure. Vibration checks, noise analysis, electrical system testing. And if anything doesn't meet the standard, it goes back. No shortcuts. Only after passing everything does the system move forward and get installed into the vehicle. But here's where things take a completely different turn, because the way this system works isn't what most people expect. Most hybrids follow a simple idea. The engine does most of the work, and the electric motor assists when needed. BYD flipped that idea completely. Its DMI system is electric first. That means most of the time, the car runs like a full electric vehicle. Silent, smooth, instant acceleration. In city driving, the engine often doesn't even turn on. You're just gliding. But once the battery starts getting low, the engine quietly steps in. Not to drive the wheels, but to generate electricity. It charges the battery while you keep driving. Then, when you need extra power, like overtaking on a highway, both systems combine to deliver maximum performance. Electric motor plus engine working together. The result? A driving experience that feels electric, without the anxiety of running out of charge. And the numbers are just as impressive. BYD's 1.5-liter engine reaches thermal efficiency levels of around 43%. That means more of the fuel is actually being used to generate power, instead of being wasted. The electric motor? Around 97% efficient. Together, they create a system that is both powerful and incredibly efficient. Fuel consumption drops to as low as 4 to 5 liters per 100 kilometers in city conditions. Range? In some cases, over 1,000 kilometers. Even pushing toward 2,000 kilometers in certain models. And all of this comes at a cost that's often lower than traditional competitors, which is exactly why this system is spreading so fast. But the real proof of that success shows up in the numbers. Since its early hybrid days, BYD has produced over 7.7 million plug-in hybrid vehicles. Let that sink in. And the growth hasn't slowed down. In 2025 alone, the company delivered more than 4.6 million new energy vehicles. In some months, hybrids actually outsold full electric models. That tells you something important. People want flexibility. They want range without stress. And BYD is giving them exactly that. But the company isn't stopping in China. It's expanding fast. Factories are already running in places like Brazil, Thailand, and Uzbekistan. New plants are under development in Hungary and Turkey. The goal is clear. Bring production closer to global markets. Reduce costs even further, and scale faster than anyone else. But for now, most of the core hybrid systems still come from China, because that's where the infrastructure, expertise, and scale are unmatched. Still, expanding globally at this speed isn't easy, and that brings its own challenges. Raw materials like lithium, nickel, and cobalt don't always stay stable in price. Global politics can disrupt supply chains. Scaling production while maintaining quality is one of the hardest things any company can do. And yet, BYD seems prepared. It's investing in its own supply chains, exploring battery recycling, even securing access to raw materials directly. At the same time, it's working on something even bigger, the next evolution of its technology. Future DMI systems are expected to push efficiency even higher. Longer range, better performance, smarter energy management, AI systems that automatically decide when to use battery power and when to engage the engine based on real-time driving conditions. In markets like Brazil, flex fuel engines are being developed to run on ethanol blends. And on the software side, updates can be delivered over the air, meaning cars can improve even after you buy them. This isn't just about building cars anymore. It's about building a system that keeps evolving, and that's what makes this story so interesting. Because at the end of the day, BYD isn't just competing, it's changing the rules. While others focus on either electric or hybrid, BYD is blending both into something that works in the real world. Affordable, efficient, scalable, and most importantly, ready right now. So the next time you hear about the future of cars, ask yourself this: what happens if BYD scales this system globally at full speed? Because if it does, the entire industry might have to catch up. And by then, it might already be too late. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more deep dives like this, because the next shift in the auto world is already happening, and you don't want to miss it.